I'm Holly, and you've made it to day 3. You're more than halfway there, which is tremendous. So first of all, just feel proud of yourself for continuing to show up. So over the last couple days, we've talked about how mindfulness can support you beyond this practice, but how it's a trait you can carry into your life. And it's important to remember that it's a constant practice. So you might notice that you feel a little bit better after our sessions than when you began. And you'll start to feel that more and more throughout your life over time. So studies show that it takes about 8 weeks of a regular practice for changes in the neuroplasticity of our brain to really evolve, to strengthen our ability to perform. So know that you're only at the very beginning. Whatever benefits you might have noticed have the potential to increase more and more over time. So we're going to continue with our mindfulness practice just like we have over the last couple days. So find a space that is safe and supported for you. Again, you can do this seated or lying down. So just find a spot and we'll get started. So find your way to a comfortable position, whether it's seated or lying down. And begin to notice where your body meets the ground. And just take 3 deep breaths, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Good, now gently rest your eyes and scan your body from head to toe. Take note of what is present for you here. Not judging or trying to change it, just noticing as you move from head to toe. And then observe where in your body you feel the breath. And it might be in a different place today than it was yesterday. That's totally okay. Just be curious about where in the body you feel the breath in this moment. Notice how the inhale feels. And the exhale. And try to count 10 breaths. Knowing that you might not make it to 10, I'm not sure that I ever have. And that's okay. That's just a fact that minds wander. So not judging it or trying to change it, just notice it each time the mind wanders and bring your awareness back to the breath. Each time the attention drifts, just notice it without judgment. And kindly redirect your awareness back to the breath as you begin again at 1. If a sound has pulled you away, just notice that that has happened and then bring it back to the breath. Start your count again. If you find yourself lost in a thought pattern, not thinking about it, not judging it, just notice it. And then place your awareness back to the breath. Begin your count again at 1. Now release any control of your mind and allow it to simply do whatever it chooses here. Return to the sensation of your body resting on the floor and the breath flowing in and out of the body. And just as we began, again scan your body from head to toe and just observe what's present. And just be curious if it's any different from when we began. And take a moment to feel really proud of yourself for showing up again and again to care for your mind in this way. And carry this with you as you slowly open your eyes and return to this space with a sense of gratitude and connection. Know that you can carry this mindful awareness through whatever comes your way. And for the rest of your day, I ask you to just find every time you come to open a door, let that be a reminder to take a breath, to focus on feeling your feet on the floor and bringing the awareness back to the breath. That's a great way to bring a little bit of mindfulness integrated into your day. So let that twisting of a doorknob be a reminder to breathe and be present before you transition to the next moment. Thank you so much for continuing to show up, and I look forward to practicing with you again tomorrow for day 4.